Have you ever wondered how some people manage to make money while you're still figuring out where to start? You see them living freely, building small businesses from their homes, and turning simple machines into real cash. The truth is, they know something that most people don't. They've discovered machines that quietly produce profit every single day. Machines that don't need big teams or fancy degrees to operate. Just a bit of creativity, effort, and the courage to start. In 2026, this secret will no longer be locked behind factories or corporations. Ordinary people like you, are setting up small, smart machines in their garages, basements, and backyards, and they're changing their lives with them. And today, I'm going to show you 11 of these secret machines that will make people rich in 2026 without a degree or hiring anyone. And especially the 8th machine is cheaper than your rent and can make you rich faster than any other machines. Let's start with something small, but incredibly powerful. The vacuum casting machine. This little device looks like something from a jewellery lab, but it's now available to anyone who wants to create custom parts or stunning jewellery at home. The process is simple yet genius. You melt the material, resin, silver, or even gold, pour it into a mould, and the vacuum pulls every bubble out, leaving a smooth, flawless finish. With machines priced around $500, people are turning this into a serious income stream. They create personalised rings, pendants, or art pieces and sell them online. Others even offer local casting services to crafters who don't have the machine. One small machine, one corner of a room, and a steady flow of customers who want unique designs. That's the power of vacuum casting. It's the kind of quiet business that looks small but can grow big, especially if you build your own brand. Now imagine something colder, but just as profitable, or even more, especially in summer. The dry ice making machine. It might sound strange, but dry ice is in constant demand. It's used in shipping frozen food, keeping things cold during transport, creating fog for events, and even in science labs. A dry ice machine connects to a CO2 tank and, with one button, transforms gas into solid blocks or pellets. You can sell dry ice to restaurants, caterers, delivery services, or event planners who want dramatic smoke effects for weddings and parties. With a small investment of a few $100s, people are quietly turning gas into cash, literally. And the best part? The demand never stops. From summer festivals to online food companies, dry ice keeps things moving, and you could be the one supplying it. And if you have a little more money, you can buy this machine combined with the 11th one, and you could make your 2026 summer a cash-generating machine that will cover your rent for the entire year and even more. Now, for the 3rd machine, let's talk about something sweet. Everyone loves the smell of freshly made donuts, and a commercial donut machine can make that dream into profit. These compact machines automatically drop rings of batter into hot oil, fry them to golden perfection, and send them out ready to glaze or sugar. You can produce dozens of donuts every hour without needing a big kitchen. People set up stands at local fairs, farmers markets, or small events and sell out almost every time. Some even deliver fresh donuts to offices or coffee shops every morning. A simple setup, low ingredients cost, and universal love for donuts. It's a combination that never fails. And with modern machines costing around $600, you can start small and grow as your community starts craving your treats. Here's one that's taking the online business world by storm: desktop injection molding machines. Years ago, only massive factories could make plastic parts. Now with these smaller machines, people are producing everything from keychains to replacement parts right at home. The concept is straightforward. You melt plastic pellets until they're liquid, then inject them into a mould, wait a few minutes, and you've got a finished item. With some creativity, you could design your own moulds and sell products online, or even help local shops create custom parts. The best part? These compact machines cost less than many smartphones, yet they can produce thousands of sellable products every month. That's not just a machine, it's a personal mini factory. But not every profitable machine needs to make a product. Some create an experience, like the bubble machine, which is the 5th machine of this list. At first glance, it might look like a toy, but professional-grade bubble machines are now used at weddings, parties, and festivals. You just pour in the solution, switch it on, and it fills the air with beautiful floating bubbles. Event planners love renting them out for photo shoots or kids' events, and because the cost is low, profits are high. People are even bundling bubble machines with DJ services or party rentals. A single event can earn back what you paid for the machine. It's fun, visual, and surprisingly profitable. Now here's one of the most reliable side hustles that still thrives in 2026, the pressure washing machine. Every city has dirty sidewalks, mouldy fences, or stained driveways waiting for a good clean. A high-pressure washer removes dirt and grime in seconds, and the results are instantly satisfying. You don't need an office or a storefront, just your machine, a vehicle, and your willingness to work. Most people start small, cleaning driveways for neighbours, and quickly expand through word of mouth. Some even offer roof and wall cleaning for commercial buildings. The demand never fades, and once you invest in the right machine, you're set for recurring clients all year long. It's simple, steady, and scalable. Here's one that many people overlook, but it's pure gold for crafters and small business owners: the ribbon printing machine. This compact tool prints text, logos, or designs onto satin ribbons, making every product or gift look custom and professional. Think of how many events need personalised ribbons: birthdays, weddings, corporate gifts, even online packaging. With a ribbon printer that costs less than a weekend trip, you can sell rolls of printed ribbons to event planners or Etsy buyers who want that premium touch. And because the material cost is tiny, your profit margin is massive. Every print you make adds beauty and brand value, and customers notice it immediately. Now let's step into something bigger, more industrial, and incredibly powerful. The eighth machine is the roofing machine. This machine takes flat sheets of metal and forms them into roofing panels ready to install. While it requires more investment and space, it can be a game changer for anyone in construction or fabrication. With housing and storage buildings booming in 2026, contractors often need fast, local suppliers for custom roof panels. A small team with a single machine can earn thousands per month serving builders who can't wait for big manufacturers. It's the kind of business that starts heavy but grows fast, especially if you offer on-site cutting and delivery. Now let's bring in one of the first brand new secret machines of this year and listen closely. This machine is already blowing up, but if you buy it now, your 2026 will be the best year of your life. The 3D food printer. Yes, it's real, and it's changing the way people make money with food. This small but powerful device prints edible designs using chocolate, dough, or even plant-based mixtures. Cafes and dessert shops are using it to create logos, custom shapes, and artistic details on food items. Imagine printing someone's name on a cookie or designing a chocolate sculpture for an event. These machines are dropping in price and becoming easier to use, and by 2026, they're one of the most talked about money makers in the food world. You can sell personalised treats online, work with local bakeries, or start your own small brand from home. It's high-tech meets handmade, and it's turning creativity into profit. Now, a new shiny product that no one is talking about for now, the mini bioplastic recycler. This one is for the future-focused entrepreneurs who care about sustainability. These compact machines melt down used plastic or biodegradable materials and reshape them into new filaments or moulds. It's part of the growing eco-business trend, where people are turning waste into valuable items like plant pots, keychains, and even phone cases. By collecting plastic from your neighbourhood, melting it, and remoulding it, you're not only earning money, you're helping the planet. These recyclers are quickly becoming popular among creators who sell eco-friendly products online. In 2026, green business is booming, and with this kind of machine, you can literally transform trash into cash. And finally, something that's always a crowd favourite, the ice cream machine. You'd be surprised how many small entrepreneurs start with a countertop soft serve machine and end up running full dessert stands or trucks. The process is simple. You pour in the mix, choose your flavour, and let the machine do the work. Ice cream is timeless, and whether it's summer festivals or private parties, people can't resist it. Some even take it further, combining it with trending toppings or unique presentations like rolled ice cream or frozen fruit blends. With modern machines being faster, cleaner, and more efficient than ever, it's one of the sweetest businesses you can start, and one that keeps customers coming back. Now let's take a step back and think for a second. These machines may sound simple, but they represent something much bigger. They prove that opportunity doesn't just belong to big companies anymore. You don't need millions of dollars to start. You don't even need a warehouse or employees. You just need the right idea, the right tool, and the drive to get started. Every one of these machines could be the seed of your own success story. Some of them will make you money quickly. Others might take a bit of learning and patience. But they all share one thing: they put control back into your hands. They give you the power to create, to build, and to earn from what you make. So which of these secret machines caught your attention? Was it the one that makes donuts smell like happiness? Or the one that prints chocolate dreams? Maybe it's the small bioplastic recycler that helps you clean the planet while building a business. Whatever it is, remember this: the people who win in 2026 aren't the ones waiting for luck. They're the ones turning curiosity into action. Start small. Learn as you go. Use the machines that fit your passion and watch how small steps turn into something big. But also let me know in the comments which machine you liked the most. I'm really curious to know which of these machines will be the most buyed after this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Business Strategist. That will become the largest channel of entrepreneurship on YouTube, and I'll see you soon. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.